class 3rd, English first book, and today I am going to explain you the very first chapter of your English first book, and the chapter name is Everyday Things. It is a poem which is composed by Jean Eyre, who was born in West Virginia, United States of America. In this poem, the poet has described about the everyday things which are necessary for our daily life. Okay, so now come on the text. Now we will read the text. Millionaires, presidents, even king can't get along without everyday thing. Were you president, king or millionaires, you would use a comb to comb your hair. The poet is describing that if you are a king, millionaires or president, you will use same things which a common person will use. Suppose I am poor and the president is very rich, and I want to comb my hair, and then what I will use? I will use comb. And the same way, if president wants to comb his hair, then what he will use? He will use any other thing in place of comb? No, he will use same thing. He will use comb to comb his hair. Now next line is, if you wish to be clean, and you would, I hope, you would take a bath with water and soap. And you would have to eat, if you wanted to eat, bread and vegetable, fish and meat. Means, if I want to take bath, then what I will use? For taking bath, I will take water and soap. And the same way, if president want to take bath, then what president will use? President will also use water and soap. Is there like that? The president will use any other thing. Maybe the president will use milk. Like that cannot be possible. It cannot be possible that he can take bath with the milk because he is rich. No, he also needs the same thing which we are using in our daily life. Means if I want to take bath, I will also use water and soap, and the president will also use water and soap. And the same way, if president want to take anything, if the millionaires want to take anything, then he will take in his food bread, vegetable, fish and meat. And the same way, we will also take bread, vegetable, fish and meat. If we are rich, then also we will take the same things for our daily life, and if we are poor, then also we will take same thing for our daily life. Wine you drink for breakfast would probably be milk or chocolate, coffee or tea. You would have to wear, you could hardly refuse underclothes, outer clothes, stocking and shoes. The poet is describing that suppose if you want to take breakfast. In breakfast, you will also take the same things, and the millionaires will also take the same thing. And the president, kings, all will take the same thing. You will take, in breakfast, you will take milk, chocolate, coffee or tea. And the president will also take the same thing, milk, chocolate, coffee or tea. In the next line, you would have to wear, could hardly refuse, outer clothes, underclothes, stocking and shoes. And it is correct. Everybody want to cover their body. For that we need clothes. So nobody can refuse for the clothes. Nobody can deny for the clothes. Everybody want to wear underclothes, outer clothes, shoes, socks. Each and everything is necessary for us also and for the rich persons also. If you wish to make a remaining note, you would take a pencil out of your coat. And you couldn't sign a letter, I think, with anything better than a pen and ink. If you wanted to read, you would be sure to look at newspaper, magazine or book. Means if we want to write anything, what we will use? We will use pen, pencil, ink. In the same way, the president also if the president wants to write anything, the president will also use the same things, pen, pencil and ink. And if you want to sign any letter, then what we need? We need pen, pencil and ink. In the same way, president also needs the same things. If you want to read, you would be sure to look at newspaper, magazine or book. Obviously, if I want to read something, then what I will take out? I will take out newspaper, magazine, books, like these things. And if president also want to read anything, then president will also take out the same things. Is there like that? The president will take out any other thing to read? No. How can he take out other thing? because if he want to read anything, he will have to take out newspaper, magazine and books, etc. And if it happened that you were ill, you would down some oil or chalk on a pill. If you had a cold, I can only suppose, you would use a handkerchief for your nose. When you wanted to rest, you're weary ahead, like other folks, you would go to bed. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. In the same way, if you are getting sick, if you are suffering from fever, so where you will go to take the medicine? You will go to the doctor. You will go to the doctor. In the same way, president is suffering from fever, then president will also go to the doctor to take the medicine. So it is our daily, our everyday things that we are to go to the doctor to take the medicine when we are getting sick. If you had a cold, I can only suppose you would use a handkerchief for your nose. If we are suffering from cold, then what we will use to clean our nose? We will use handkerchief. In the same way, the president will also use handkerchief to clean his nose. When you wanted to rest, you're weary ahead, like other folk, you would go into the bed. Obviously, if we are getting tired, then where we go? We will go to the bed to take sleep, to sleep. But president will also go to take sleep into the bed. Millionaire presidents, even kings, can't get along without everyday things. Means, if you are president, if you are millionaires, if you are king, then also you need the same things which a poor person need in their everyday life. Okay everyone, this was a chapter. So study well at home. Thanks all of you. Bye bye everyone. Take care.